The new Honda Civic, I mean, it's clean, but I wonder...
Ladies and gentlemen.
This beef and broccoli. It's got just the right amount of rice. Right. What? What's that? Yo, Kee here, and I want to welcome you to this episode of Kees Cars. Today, we are taking a look at the new Honda Civic. So the problem I have with the new Honda Civic is that it is so vanilla. Now granted, the Type R that's covered in the camo gives me hope, and I'm digging this vinyl wrap on here. It's got all the previous generation Type Rs, super cool. So I'm gonna see what it could look like if the Honda design team were willing to take this up just a little bit, sprinkle just the right amount of rice on there. I'm gonna add on the Type R bits that we know exist, the diffuser, the side skirts, the wing, based on the photos they have of the vinyl wrapped car. Then I'm going to take it a step further. I want to address some of these elements, like number one, the taillights. They're so pedestrian. That's not good. It's not good. All right, guys, enough talking for now. You know what time it is. Buckle up that seatbelt, pedal to the floor on the like button, hit subscribe. We are keying the 2023 Civic Type R. Let's go. All right, so based on what we know from Honda's official photography, we've got this thing looking like a Type R. And, you know, the bits are cool. It's cool. I want to take this a step further. I am going to design some custom taillights on this bad boy to see if we can switch it up a little bit and just add a little bit of a unique flavor to it. And while I'm working on these taillights, really quick announcement, guys. I have a website now up for the channel. It's keescarsproductions.com. I created part of this website for you guys as a little bit of a gift because a few of you over the last few weeks have asked for some of these renders that you can use as a desktop background. So what I'm going to do is that after I upload a video, these are going to go up on that website. You can go there and you can download these for your computer. These downloads are completely free. You will see some other links on there, some affiliate links. Guys, you know I'm trying to do this full time. And so you know what goes with that, the business side. I'm working on merch right now. But as far as these downloads, they are and will always be completely free to say thank you to you guys for watching and supporting the channel. So with that, let's get back to this render. I started getting some flashbacks to the Fast and the Furious, the Civics they used in their heist runs, and man, I just went for it. So excuse me if I went a little heavy on the rice for some of the render, but I do think that practically here, there are some things that Honda could do to really level up the Type R and make it a step above the SI as far as the visual appeal goes. We all know we're going to get a little bit more power. We're going to get the experience. It's a Type R, but I wish that there was some way to define between them and really make it different from the rest of the lineup. So leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. And remember, you can also download this desktop along with some of the other ones that I've done recently on the website, keescarsproductions.com. Link is in the description below, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. God bless.